We'll just have a look at some of the new features in Fusion 202. I'll just open the program. We'll just open an example file for reference. Firstly, there's a couple of tools we've added. Reset tree to panel view, so that will shrink. If you've got a large job open and there's lots of panels, it will just compact it all down neatly so you can see what's what and go back and work on whichever panel you want. A bit more easier. There's also a refresh display option which can expand it back down or refresh the screen so it will get rid of any anomalies that might be showing on the screen from time to time. One of the main features we've improved on is the I/O board handling. For example, if you go to add an I/O board, we just get a basic header screen now instead of all the information. We can just choose what we want from here with a more relevant description of the device that we're connecting. For example, here's an alarm board with indication inputs. We'll just choose that. And also, now rather than having the username text for the I/O board itself, we don't really need that, so we've taken that out and we just made it automatic. Just call it the relevant board number to what it is. Also, we can now go back in and edit that board. If you want to edit the full details, you can put in the text in the screen. There's also a couple of help notes that we've added. There's a lot more help notes dotted around the program as well, just to give you pointers here and there. Just OK that. We can also now delete an intermediate board, but it will also delete any associated cause and effect to that board. Now if we go and add another board in, board, it will automatically take up the space of the missing boards, starting with the lowest number first. So if we add a board there, it will put it into position 3. We've also improved some handling where you've got a loop powered beacon and an ancillary sounder base. Incidentally, we've changed the name here to ancillary sounder rather than platform sounder as per the Apollo device. So if we select ancillary sounder on the beacon there and go into cause and effect outputs, choose outputs, we now see a picture of a device there, and then we've got an option sounder sounder steady with a flashing beacon and flashing without sounder. If we go back to that device and untick the box and have a look again, we just get the basic information there. Instead of with or without the sounder, we've just got the option flashing. If we have a look in editing panel details, we've done a few changes in here to just make it a bit easier to understand. If we look at timers, for example, we've made this a bit clearer, in some details like timer end condition, fire indication, and there's a note here as well to help with anybody not familiar with the software. Thanks for watching this presentation.